Hi folks, welcome to the channel. Welcome to Spain on a very overcast but very hot day. So in this video I'm going to go and do a bit of undercover camera work. Now the reason why it's undercover, I tried to do this video before and walking around with my camera and the security guard stopped me. Don't know if he's meant to, but anyway, stopped me. So I couldn't do it. So now I'm going to go with it. It's not really a hidden device, the camera that I have here, but you can't see that it's turned on or anything, and have another go. Now, the place that we're going, or the reason for we're going to the place that we're going is, everyone knows in Spain, in the afternoon, it's a siesta. And I wouldn't be a big fan of the siesta. Because everything closes, you know, you go into any town, walk through the town, it's all closed, but what doesn't close are shopping centres. Now I'm not a big shopper, said that a few times, but I do need a few things today, so that's why I'm going to take the opportunity and do this today. Now where I'm going to take you to is what I think is a great wee shopping centre on the edge of Torrevieja, which has a great wee selection of shops and a good selection of restaurants and fast food outlets all around it if you fancy a bite to eat as well. So if you've nothing to do in the afternoon, you fancy doing a wee bit of shopping and you're hungry, this is the place for you. So I'm going to turn the camera off, be there in 15 minutes, speak to you then, onward and upward.
20 minutes later.
This is the shopping centre. I'm putting this camera away. He's already on. Here goes. Of course, if the wee security man caught me again, all he could do is tell me to stop. Right. He has no intention to stop it. I'm going to walk on out. I'm going to put my foot down. Saying that wasn't good spy behaviour, not very undercover. Now today, I'm just having a look at prices. I think my trainers are in their last days. Remember, this was a pretty expensive shop, but good stuff, but I'm in a budget. Hola. And my sandals, they've seen better days. Definitely not within my travelling budget. Fortunately, they were all above my pay grade. The first pair were €99 and the sandals, this Hugo, were $59. This is another reason why these shopping centres are great to come during siesta, because all the Spanish people who are either working in these wee shops are having a siesta, so they're practically empty. Right, this looks a bit more like my price bracket. No price, like that's why I'm a bad shopper. Why didn't I just ask? The thing is, of course, if you're out shopping, you want a wee bit of atmosphere. You want it to be this quiet. Do you know what I mean? It does mean you don't have to queue up to pay, but that's not going to be a problem for me. Right, well I think we've been in here long enough. I need a pet shop. Had it in my head there was one here. And you can get the train here, which is very useful. All you Torrevieja ones that you're thinking, what train? You can honestly. Bit slow. Even he thought it was a bit slow. I'm out of the way a bit now, hopefully not get caught. Need a pet shop, can't find one. Molly has a, I think it's a tick, so I'm looking for the flea and tick squirty stuff. Right, undercover again. Good, here's a map of the shopping centre. See if I can find a pet shop. Turns out he had his hand right on the bit that I needed to look at. But there isn't a pet shop. So plenty of places to eat. Wok buffet, Chinese buffet, Kentucky Fried Chicken, Subway, another Chinese, Burger King in the distance, supermarkets, Macedonia and Lidl, O'Brien's, and more. I almost talked myself into getting into Foster's there and having a nice meal, nice treat. Living on a budget, but you have to just not do it. And now I'm looking at another menu. He's watching me. Right, I'm getting in here. No, I'm not. Calm down. You're only using the camera. Right, down. Right, he's behind me. That's definitely him. And he is following me. Love to turn around and get a picture of him, but then he'd see me using the camera. I probably wouldn't make a good James Bond, you know. I'm waiting on the hand on the shoulder. Well, there's a Ferrari there. He's gone, I lost him. I think I lost him in the last left hand turn. Here's the thing you see in Europe a lot. These mobile phone shops all beside each other. Orange, Movie Star, Vodafone. I've been using Orange the whole time I've been here, and no real problem with the phone or the internet or anything, but every month the refilling of it, oh, I spend an hour figuring about trying to figure out why my credit isn't going on. So yeah, I don't like that. I've decided to take a risk with the camera because I'm at the end, I'm finished. If it gets me now, I'll just leave, no problem. Won't have to handcuff me or anything. And into one more shoe shop, haven't seen what I like. That's a big place. The old me, before my travels, I would have come in here and seen several t-shirts and just bought them. And now I come into these places, no interest in buying anything. Far less interest in buying stuff than I used to have. Every time I consider buying now, I think to myself, well, do I need that? And if the answer is no, I can walk away. I could never do that before. Spain used to be cheap. Maybe it's because I don't shop much, but I find Spain now to be quite expensive for these sort of places. You rarely look at anything and think that's a good deal. But I hope I'm not becoming tight. I like being kind. I don't like to be too tight with my money. I don't like that vibe. I'm just going to walk straight across here and hope they all stop. Aye, alright, keep your hats on. Only joking, I'll have to edit in some horns. I'll go in here and see if I can get the dog tick stuff and maybe a few other bits and pieces, but I'll not bore you with it. Maybe a wee bit of it. It's really strange having you guys with me. I'm always going on about being a bad shopper. When I go into a shop or go shopping to get stuff, I'm enthusiastic, but as soon as I get in, I'm sort of bored and can't really be bothered. But I've never had the opportunity to show somebody exactly how I behave. No pet health stuff. Supermarkets are different in Spain. It's like you can't get any sort of chemist stuff. You can't get headache tablets or anything in supermarkets. The only place you can get them in Spain is in the pharmacy. I do like lamb chops, and they're not easy to get here, but they're quite expensive. Have to have the odd treat. All these shops, even the supermarket, and I've bought one thing. Right, so I do need to eat. Subway, Taco Bell, TGB, bowling alley. So you can come and have a shop and you can eat, and you can go bowling. Brilliant. Not hard to work out where I'm going to go, is it? KFC, here we go. Now I wait till they call out 95. Then I head back home and eat it. So I don't know what sort of video that was. I hope that was entertaining in some way, but hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to leave it off there. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe. Thumbs up, really good for the channel, and I'd love to hear your comments. But until next time, bye for now.